How to create a Google Drive link for a folder. So if you want to create a Google Drive link for a folder, then first you need to just open up your Google Drive application, or you can also just go with your browser. Now once you open, you need to go with new, which is on the bottom right. And after that, you can upload something. You can upload a folder. So you can simply tap on folder and then you can upload a folder, or you can just go with upload. And once you tap on upload, you need to select the folder and it will start uploading, right? So wait for a few seconds or a few minutes till it uploads. And once the folder is uploaded, you just need to simply go with the top right of that folder. For example, I'll just simply select the insurance folder, which is right here. So you just need to simply go with the top right, which has the three dots on the folder, and then you need to go with copy link. And your link has been copied, right? But before that, you need to just go with manage access option. Now under manage access here, you will have the owner. So the owner is you, right? Now you can go with restricted, and on the bottom of that, you will have change. Tap on change and then tap on only people added can open, and you can add the people. So you can simply choose anyone with the link. And once you've selected anyone with the link, then you can go with the copy option, which is on the top right. And once you've copied, now you can send that link to others, and anyone with this link can edit or can have the access to the folder. So that's how you can create a Google Drive link for a folder. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.